Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody needed some help designing a coffee cup holder, and kind of different. He told me 41 millimeters for the holes, but then he gave me the inches for the board. He's going to actually cut it out or he's going to have somebody cut it out on a laser and glue dowels, every once in a while to have it stand off so the cups will fit down in there. So I did a little research on a K-cup. So first of all, I want to draw the board. I'm working with inches, and my ratio is unlocked. So I'm going to go 28 by 20, and then I'm going to put it in the center of the page. But then I'm going to turn my inches to millimeters, and I'm going to draw a 41 inch. Well, let me back up here. Let me get my ratio locked and go 41 millimeters. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now, I did a little measurement, and the outside of the cup was 5.66. That way I can just see, because this is, the cup will actually stand up in the holder a little bit, so you can pull them out. So I'm going to Control D and then make one that's 50.65 millimeters. So that's the actual size of the space it's going to take. And that's how I kind of came up with my formula to spread them out. So I'm going to set my nudge factor back to inches so I'll know what's going on. And I've got it set. I'm going to set it on 2 inches. And I'm going to put that right in the corner, and I'm going to go 2 inch, 2 inch. And then I'm going to make a duplicate of that. And I'm going to go 2 inches down, 2 inches over. Then I'm going to make a copy of that. And I'm going to go 2 inches up and 2 inches over. Make a duplicate of that. I'm just hitting the plus key on the keyboard. And then I'm going to go up 2 inches and over. Now I'm going to get rid of the exterior lines, because that way, well, I'll just know it fits, but you might want to do some tests with the blend, but I've already blended it. So now he wants 12 across and 8 down. So I'm going to grab these two right here. First of all, I'm going to look at them with the shape tool, even though I drew them at the same time. If we grab the shape tool, well, the shape tool, I'd have to turn them into a curve to see that, but I'm pretty sure they're correct. I'm going to grab both these. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and he says he needed 8. So I only need 6 because I've already got 2, and I'm going to blend them. And then I'm going to take these and do the same thing. Now, you could ungroup and group, but you, first of all, this is a blend, so you've got to go to Object, break the blend apart, Object, break the blend apart. But see, it's still a group, so I need to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. Whenever you do a blend, it groups your blend together. Now across the top, and it's almost, you could do all of them at one time, but sometimes it'll mess it up. Across the top, he wanted 12, so we only need 10. And we're going to hit Apply. And then just select those two, hit Apply. Those two, hit Apply. Those two, hit Apply. And you could do this all at one time, but a lot of times, it can actually mess up, and this is getting the same result. That it's not that big a deal to do 8 of them. And now what I did for him, and just to kind of let you know, I sent him the file. He's going to have somebody else cut it out. So I put some measurements on it just to, verify, so the person cutting it out will know. And that's 28 by 20. And I could change the text so you could see it better. I should have already done that. there's a way to set that. We'll set this on 100. Grab the text there, set it on 100 points. But on the center one, you don't have to go back and change the deal to millimeters, but you do need to go from the quadrant to the quadrant, and you can see it's 1.61 inches. Well, you want to know what that is in millimeters, so you can go right here and turn it to millimeters, and it is 41 millimeters. That way the cup will stand up a little bit so you can get your fingers and grab it. It's pretty well spaced out. You know, you don't want it too close to the edges, I would think. And I mean, because that's a mighty big for a drawer. But that should cut out for him. And he's going to, like I said, he's going to put dowels. I actually, if I was going to make one for myself, I'd make a box with finger joints and then actually have one go through the middle. So I think later today, I'm going to make a second video on making a box where it'll stand out and stand up. Anyway, I hope that helped Tim a little bit. Thank you for watching.